So today's question is detect loop in linked list. So you are given a head of the singly linked list, and your task is to determine if the linked list contains a loop. So let's move to copy and see. So this is the linked list one, and this 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 node is connected to another node 2, and this is connected to another node, that is 3, and 3 is connected to 2. Since you can, if you start from here, so you go here, and again you go here. So means where you start, where you start from, then here you reach. So this is the loop. So I have to detect this loop by code. So my approach will be, I start means I make two pointers, slow and fast. Slow goes one step, but fast goes two step. And at any location both meet, it means there are loop. If both not meets ever, so and loop and linked list and slow fast pointer gets null value, so it means there is a no link, there is no loop. So let me write the code. Let me clear this comment because it's convenient for me. So node slow equal head, node fast equal also head, while, so there is a condition that I have to write that handle both if I have even and odd number of nodes. So fast dot next not equal to null, means if fast not equal to null and fast dot next not equal to null and slow बराबर slow dot next fast बराबर fast dot next, and if after moving one step if both meet so equal fast, it means there is a loop. So return true because a boolean value is to be returned from here. If this loop gets end and no return value is returned, so we will simply return false, means there is a no loop. So let me compile the code. Okay, one test case is passed. Let me submit the code. Okay, there is a error 0. Okay, so if grade equal null, we will simply return false. Uh, I copy this. Their position equal 0. Your output true. Okay, one thing I did wrong, that is here I I move fast pointer as one step, but I had to return two steps. So I simply write one next or. So I think our code must be right. Okay, our test case is passed, and there is no need of this case. So I remove. Okay, let me understood you what I have written. Code notepad. first uh, first we understand this thing while past not equal to null. So first we understand this case. So suppose is the linked list, and there is another linked list 1 2. So at starting the first is here. So first gets two step. So in next iteration of while loop first reach here. First reach here, in while condition first dot next not equal to null, means first the next uh, is null. So first dot next not equal to null. This condition gets true. It means there is no needs of further iteration. Another example. So first is here. So first gets two step. So first null indicate that end of the linked list. So first gets two step ahead. So first at in next iteration first reach here. So first becomes null. This condition gets true. Means I wrote first. I wrote both handle for even and odd number of nodes. But here I use and. Why? Because uh, I don't know that a number of a node are even or odd. So if any condition gets true, so because due to the AND operator, so 1 and 0 barabar 0, means this loop uh, will not run. 0 and 1 0, so this loop will not run, and uh, and uh, and compiler terminate from here, each here. So means uh, intention to write first not equal to null and first dot next not equal to null is handle the even and odd number of nodes.